Hey guys! In this video, we'll be showing you how to successfully finish your electronic organizer. Fully completing the organizer correctly is essential to your taxes being completed on time and saving you the most money. Let's get started. As an important note to start, your electronic organizer includes 4 sections: signed documents, custom questionnaire, organizer, and upload documents. To fully complete the organizer, all 4 of these sections must be marked as finished. Each finish will be accompanied by an email confirmation. This is important because the whole organizer needs to be completed to prevent delays to your tax return. In this video, we'll be walking you through the final section of the organizer, the upload documents section. If you are unsure how to complete the previous sections, click the link in the description for a full tutorial or ask your contact person at Gallagher, Boson & Goodman and they can provide you with the link. Let's get to it. For this final section, navigate to the upload documents step. Here you can click to upload any additional tax documents you haven't previously submitted. You can download items that you have already uploaded, preview them, or delete them. When you are done, click the Finish button to let GBG know you have uploaded all necessary documents. Remember that if this final step is not marked as finished, that it could delay your return from being processed. Once you click Confirm, you will no longer be able to upload additional documents. Congratulations! You have successfully completed your electronic organizer. You can now download all your completed documents. If you need to upload more documents, you can reach out to your contact person at Gallagher, Boson & Goodman, and they will provide a link for you to upload anything you may have missed. You can click the contact person icon to see their name and email address. We look forward to helping you do your taxes this year. Thanks for watching and happy filing.